Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would like to review this sample provided by AQUAFIT. Thank you, AQUAFIT, for the sample. And it's a bottle of water, 1 gallon. So this is the box. Um, this is how it looks. Here are listed the benefits of the gallon. Uh, so it comes here wrapped in bubble wrap, and this is how it looks. Mine is like a clear black. So it has the handle here, which is very useful. And here you can, when you open it, you can either like, this is the two ways that you can drink it, this way or this way. Um, what I like about the bottle and what I love about it is that it's leak proof, it doesn't leak. And it also has the markings, the 7 a.m. and it goes every 2 hours until 9 p.m. And it's great. It's very useful if you want to work out. Now for the summer, if you want to take it to the beach, just put ice and water and enjoy it. I like it. I'm planning to use it, especially now in the summer. I like the color, the two-tone that it has. Thank you for watching my video.